Oh. I forgot to update those. So this is a test. Will it work? Absolutely not. What went wrong? Prismark dot dot start, and I'm gonna do 512 megabytes. Was never upgraded. Which not flooding. It is so much fun to debug something that I should not be right now. Hello. It's time to spend like 5 hours to like debug this. So it wants to await, but let me think about this. I
I'm
don't even know if my mic is working properly. Actually, it is. I said nothing. Oh, oh. And I screwed up again. Listen, YouTube. I forgot to press save. Okay. It's never gonna connect, is it? Man. Oh, dang it. But the handle message is like passed here. I'm trying to figure out anything possible. Dude, that I'm just gonna keep in mind if I need it. Hmm. Does yeah, future detect said it actually shows up. It actually shows up. Yippee. He sounds so silly. Oh, choose a green, probably. Eh. Yeah, no, it's... So, if I refresh chat now... Yes, it actually works out. It actually works. Okay, that's roughly 3 to 4 seconds of delay worth of uh oh, I'm so happy. It took forever to get it to work. So this is like how it looks like right now. Just for our eyes, we'll just like uh, there we go. So now that's fixed, I need to do a new div. The chat duration of it. Well, I wanna like do background image linear gradient to right to done. So we do FFF to FFF0. Oh, it did not actually work. Oh, because I didn't define some parameters. And then I need to width. I'll do 100% actually. Now. Oh yeah, now it works. Position relative. Bottom 0px, left 0px. Let's just figure this out. I mean, if I do absolute, it will probably not work. Oh, actually, it did work. That's so funny. I messed up, on so much stuff. Okay, now I have to figure out something. How do I, like... Actually, I could take this out. Just like... let the div duration equal to a document or create element. The div, so the div duration dot class is dot add chat duration. Okay, so we're back at where we are. So we do card dot oh, oh, it actually worked. So I'm gonna do a counter here. I'm gonna set it to 10,000. So I'm gonna await 1 millisecond to do counter -1. Or I can just do counter minus minus. That works for some reason. Duration. Star.width is equal to max counter divided by. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. What am I saying? I mean, I think so. That doesn't look like how it's supposed to look right now. Or at least I don't think so. Oh, whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy, they say. Oh. That did not actually work. Oh wait, because I forgot to do multiply by 100%. Border radius 5 pixels. Border right, and I'm gonna do right side 1px just to check it out. Let's see how far does it go. Yeah, it doesn't even make tenth of the way. I don't think I'm supposed to go over the limit. Max width 100%. I'm probably just doing way too much. Multiply by 100%, of course. Probably like flipping the wrong numbers right now. What are the chances? Wait, let me just do it one times. I mean, it kinda works, but also doesn't, as I hoped, but if it works. This is gonna be like the gamble of luck right now. Uh, I mean, it's gonna be like around 25. Oh my god, it did actually work. How about 25.5? I just really wanna. Yeah, I guess 25 is just perfect. Just perfect. It's one of those coding streams you're like, what the actual streamer is thinking about. Actually, that's perfect. I'm surprised it actually worked. What do you guys think? Does that work? Does that not? Oh, I need to set it back to transparent for the background. Three, four. It took 8 seconds between the API receiving the message and it's displaying to the screen. It's coding stream night, I guess. Like, uh, has been a very long day, I would say. So I don't really expect to do as much as I usually do. Chat bubble. Where's the chat bubble? Here we go. Order right. 1px solid. And I'm gonna do it out of white, I think. Yeah, it looks too bright for my eyes. I Each time I load that page, it flashbangs my eyes. It really hurts each time. Oh my god. Yeah, it actually works. I'm actually so happy it does. The line. It's a line. After reinitializing the page, it looks very good. I'm very happy. But creating the system though is really hard because you never know like how it will like turn out and it's the way though. Wait, not for the overlay yet. Yeah, that's what I was like thinking about. You exactly found out what I was thinking right now. It was like too white at first, but when you like think about it, with the overlay, it's not like that bright actually. It's just like a little extra something that's added. that's what's like very funny to me, I would say. Yeah, I like it too, actually. Although I would make it slightly less tall, maybe. Like maybe 1.5 pixels. Yeah, it definitely works more with a smaller um bars. I mean, does that work good? I mean, that's why I was asking also the opinion at the same time. But the delay on YouTube is absolutely awful. That's like one of the major struggles I think they've had with YouTube. Yep, that's definitely something I can really agree with. I mean, like, for example, if I do an example with Twitch chat, so I'll like swipe it here onto my channel. If I do like a test, you see it's what's the like oh my god, my words. I use a PythonChat. That's like the only YouTube API I think I know about. But for me, Twitch just shows up instantly while YouTube just takes like a while. It's just like okay, let's do this. Okay, we'll do a quick example. I just pressed my keyboard and it showed up immediately. Only because Twitch has actual CDN that works like fully, like the IRC. Because IRC chat is just perfect in this case. Basically, listening. It's just how messages are handled on both platforms. Because basically, YouTube just handles it with more ping in terms of like chat, while Twitch just has a IRC website that's directly connected to the channel. That's kinda like my understanding. Because I don't think there's like RLC. Oh, actually, there is. Well, I will look into it, but getting the RLC into YouTube chat would be kinda like a pain to do. Like, yeah. It's kinda like how the whole thing works. It's a lot like RLC chat needed. But yeah, it's really like interesting how I have to like design the API around the script because gRPC, probably I will check that out. And it will really depend on like how much time do I have and what I can do in that time frame, I guess. Because I will remind you guys, from the 15th to the 27th, I will not be able to stream, as most likely. Yeah, Skitty. Um, so yeah, this is like the last 2 weeks I have before I go on vacation, which means I will be pretty busy with like family. But then yeah, it's the only like 4 days left before I return to high school, so that's why. It's a whole API I have to design around, which is pain, but I think we achieved what we wanted today on the um whole like Python side of things. And yeah, I'll probably see like how I design the overlay, because the overlay right now is kinda, yeah, I don't have even enough to explain. Because if I do like a border radius 5 pixels to start with, border 1 pixel, pink, for example. Like I can really design however I want my chat to look. So for example, if I update my, yeah, that's definitely true, because it was really annoying to have like default chats sometimes. But that's like design flaws we can't really fix ourselves. Besides, if you really like go ahead and do whatever I just did, aka make your own. Yes, I'm being very vocal about this, and I really hope they can um, fix this because it's kinda sad. I mean, it's kinda like um, a design flaw that I can't really myself control on. Uh, mm, well, the chat messages, yes, but for the chat like HTML itself, no, I have to do it myself because OBS has to like be told, hey, I need to refresh this now, and yeah, it's kind of a game of ping pong if you think about it. Yeah, you can say that, yeah. And I mean, like, it's not something I can't control myself, though. It's like, um, I can do like linear background, for example, to like 45. I don't know if that's compatible. Oh yeah, and now I can do like pink to violet red. Or violet, for example, in our case, will do. Like I can make any design decision I want with how I want the screen to look. Although it's kinda bright. So for example, I can just like dim it down a little. See colors, just like but I really like to make new details, like be more precise in our case. So it's kinda like how I want chat to look like, but not exactly on the side of. It's not really how it looks good for me on the. Although on the side of the chat on the OBS doesn't look great, so. So, I mean, it's kinda like a whole debate, I guess. We can like use transparent fully, like background transparent, just to get a normal look, quote unquote. But yeah, I understand what you think. Because right now, the overlay how it works, it's just like Python with HTML and CSS doing the whole job with JS. But glad you love it, and I think it's really good as well. It has been like quite tough to configure all this because we had to work our way through how the display works. Because let me show you a secret to everyone. Um, each single thing you see right now on each element, funny enough, the only media, which is actually empty, for the whole chat, I use a web view. It's not even like anything else. It's just web view, and that's pretty much it. When it comes to the stream, I can really like tune how I want it to be like. Um, for example, let me show you like this. Actually, we don't need this anymore. Uh, and then we can expand chat a little more. Like you can really like change how it looks like from A to Z. That's a bonus about making a whole like self-made YouTube chat is that you don't have to tell yourself, wait, I haven't done everything I needed. What am I going to do? Well, no, you can just code it in. Coding it in is a lot more better than just telling yourself, well, let's just um like chat and as well just telling you myself, hey, voila. I don't know how to word it. Like, I don't have to use a subscription. I don't have to use anything else to say it works. It just works. And I think it's kinda like the extra bonus from like doing your own chat. You customize it however you want. Like right now, I can just like refresh while it will show all messages previously sent. If I wanted, I could like add a little video in the background, like Arizu dance in Blue Archive or anything else. That's the genuinely awesome part about coding this. But so now it's kinda like a hanging out moment where we can just like see everything that just happened. Like right now I can just like wipe this, say hello I guess. And once it's finished, platform quote unquote Twitch. What? I am not in fact using Twitch right now. Oh wait, no, it's just because it was using the memory. There's no API key involved, actually. Like the whole engine works by doing like magic. For example, this is like stuff that is already used by other people, so actually it's not like any compromises. So no, don't worry, it's not like any compromise or anything too complicated. But yeah, I think this will be it for this stream in coding adventure. I hope it was great, and I hope to see you all into the next stream tomorrow on Minecraft Bedrock, in Lucky Sans on Twitch. So hope to see you there. Take care as well.